Well, look, down there, drilled all the spot welds, drilled all the spot welds, drilled all the spot welds. So, gonna hit that off. We'll get those done. We've got some replacements on the bottom of the head too. It's coming on, guys. It's coming on. So, right, look, guys, they're coming off. Those all day. That's coming off. That's coming off. I need to cut that one down, brother. Thanks. Coming off. But this needs repairing here. Needs repairing here. And needs repairing here. But hey, guess what? That's all right. It's okay. So these are what people don't see. This is all the stuff that they go, oh yeah, I had mine done professionally. How do you think they got these panels out? How do you think your professional restorer did this? Yeah, it all fell apart nicely because he's a professional. You know what? He may well be. But I tell you something now. He didn't do anything I didn't do. He probably used more hammers. He used an edge chisel, which I should have done. Seeing this in real time, guys. That's how your E-Type tail bars come off. Right, get off, bastards. Right, okay. Trouble. Right, okay. So clean, 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 clean off. Clean, 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 clean. Toe power, bolt frame. Player panel. This is the next one. Now this is a different panel. And you're gonna hate this one because this panel is one that isn't quite the same. So well that one, alright, I've got to make a I've got to make a body lip somewhere. And I got well but this one, on the other hand, this little puppy, 2 spot welds, there and there, gone. But that there. So, bear with me, right, guys? There you go. Right, my little get enthusiast. Well, yeah, you're quite fine to it. Maybe look. Power release, repair, welded, tip on its side. My plan at the moment, right, is to attach a Series 3 repair panel to that side, obviously reversed, re-drilled, repair the top corner because it's totally different shape. That's my new bit for there. That's my bit that goes in there. This side is factory. So for all the people, that's factory. This one ain't. This is Series 3, supplied by M. Ropey. I don't say these panels were ropey, but hey, I never believed them. I thought they were good panels. I liked them well. So I'm going to cut some of this stuff off because this is a bit nasty. It's not really going to make any difference to what I'm doing. So for the minute, I'm going to have to turn you off, guys, because it's like, you know, what's the point? What's the point of you singing this? Like, it's probably about. Well, that's just pointless seeing it. So anyway, okay. So next time you see this, should look better. Right, that one fits perfect. Look at that. It's almost factory. It's homemade. But we go over this side. we have a bit of a problem because of that symmetry panel. It's wrong. I got it lined up, I got it clean, but look how low it is here. And they're the same height. So that's got to go down. But it can't go down because it's actually on line here. Which really annoys me because then I need to make something to go in here, something to come up there, come up across. And then I'm going to have to jiggle that down there.